Innovation Computers is a reseller, retailer, wholesaler of electronic consumer products. Innovation Computers offers the best quality of products. We only offer brand new products, first brand names products as well, with the best customer support. Our markets are basically the US, Latin America, and Asia. First time we started working with SAP Business One was in 2006 through Mitchell Consulting. They did a great job installing the product, and since then it's been only positive things happening.
In terms of inventory, the reporting that SAP gives to us is very easy to use, very fluid. It's basically self-explanatory. There's nothing too robust. So it does help trying to get that inventory and the quantity. So when we do want to offer it to the e-commerce website, whether it's Amazon, eBay, or Walmart, it's very easy, very fluid. It has helped us grow as Innovation Computers.
SAP Business One is a very, very friendly tool for me to give my customers more details. Is a key element because I give all the information they request, like stock, prices, and like in a daily basis, and it's very easy and friendly for me to just pull out a report and send to them.
The automation that we've seen with online ordering has been incredible. The efficiency that we've noticed with SAP and the connection with our TrueCommerce partner, it really helps manage our warehouse inventory, ordering, restocking of our products. So basically, it's been incredible the way it helps us.
Innovation Computer is definitely a much more profitable company because of SAP Business One, because we're able to realize what the losses are and the challenges are that are going on within the organization. I would say that it's been a great investment for the organization because it's been able to help us out tremendously.
We've been partners with Mitchell Group for at least since 2006. It's been great. They've supported us always. So it's a great team. It's a great partner to join with. Always on top of things.
Actually, I feel that with SAP Business One, I'm excited about the future. I feel like as an organization, we're preparing for the future.
For Innovation Computers, SAP Business One and Mitchell Group is a key for success.